Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to get started with Google AI Studio in 2026. Begin by opening your browser and visiting a studio, google.com ***. Click Get Started * and sign in with your Google account. If it's your first time using the platform, review and accept the terms of service to continue. After signing in, you'll arrive at the main dashboard. This is where you can create prompts, test AI models, and access developer tools. Take a moment to explore the interface. You'll find options to start a new prompt, select different Gemini models, adjust AI settings, and view your previous projects. Click New Prompt ** to begin your first AI conversation. Type a simple request like, write a short blog post about technology, and submit it. Within seconds, Google AI Studio will generate a response. As you become more comfortable, experiment with different prompt styles and settings to see how they affect the results. Google AI Studio is designed for both beginners and experienced developers, making it easy to create AI-powered content and applications. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the rest of our Google AI Studio guides. Thanks for watching.